everyone, I am Jose.
I'm Ellie.
And I'm Dana.
Welcome to Taronga Seals for the Wild, proudly powered by Red Energy.
All the seals you will be meeting this afternoon are either rare, rescued or relocated, and they are very special ambassadors for the wild.
By choosing to be here today, you're helping us make a real difference in the care of our oceans, because everything we do is for the wild.
We acknowledge and pay respect to the Camaragal people, the custodians of this beautiful part of Sydney, for generations maintaining a continuous balance with nature. Through deep Camaragal connection to the ocean, join us as we share the stories of Taronga's seals.
Now, this is Cisco, our fun and energetic Californian sea lion. Now, these sleek seals are the fastest sea lion in the world, and they also have a very distinctive bark. Now, while there are many different types of seals found in the world, they're all known as pinnipeds, which is a Latin word for winged foot. Now, each seals, just like Cisco, are perfectly adapted for a life in our ocean, but they actually spend about half their time on land. Those flexible feet, or flippers, are very well adapted for getting around beaches and rocky coastlines to rest, groom, and defend territory. This natural behaviour is porpoising, a very energy efficient way to get around our oceans. Breaking the surface, Cisco can take a quick breath of air while maintaining that speed. Seals have truly evolved for a life in our oceans, and they play a very important role in maintaining the balance.
The ocean connects us, a special and tranquil place, somewhere we seek to explore, swim, surf, dive and relax, as do seals quietly living alongside us beneath the waves, in the harbours, on the beaches, finding their way from tide to tide. The curious life of a seal.
The life for a seal in the wild isn't always easy, and human impact can be one of their biggest challenges. This is Diego, a 12-year-old Californian sea lion. These large seals can reach weights over 300 kilos. Californian sea lions have sensitive and specialised whiskers that help them to navigate dense kelp forests in search of food. Even whiskers can be the best tools, but unfortunately can't always help when fish are scarce. The demand for seafood is pushing oceans and marine wildlife to the brink. Diego's wild cousins have to navigate further to find their food, often meaning there's nothing left. That was a good look. Did you see anything? No. But is there something that we can do about it? That's a big yes. Your choices matter. The next time you're out shopping for seafood, look for products with the MSC. The Marine Stewardship Council is an international non-for-profit dedicated to a healthy future for our oceans. The MSC Blue Fish Tick means your seafood is sustainable. And sustainable fishing means more fish for seals like Diego, more for us to enjoy, and more life in our oceans. So the next time you're out shopping, choose MSC, that one down there. Thanks, Diego. And keep our oceans full of life.
Nature maintains balance in the ocean. Predators and prey, the cycle of life, a delicate harmony. Sometimes, to keep this important balance, the predator becomes the prey.
In the depths of the ocean, seals make remarkable predators. Fast and agile. As skillful hunters, they forage and dive in pursuit of food. Even the strongest hunters can find themselves in danger. All creatures help maintain the balance beneath our waves.
Sustainable fishing helps to maintain this balance, meaning more life, colour, diversity, and more seafood for all. Remember, your choices matter. Choose MSC for an ocean full of life.
I hear the call.
for joining us at Taronga's Seals for the Wild, proudly powered by 100% renewable electricity from Red Energy.